This is the third part of mind mapping. So, open your books, page number 143, second paragraph from here. Now listen carefully. A huge amount of research on skill acquisition. See the meaning of this word, acquisition. It means the act of acquiring or gaining or getting, has found that the skill developed by training and practice are very rarely, see the meaning of this word, rarely, occurring very infrequently. Infrequently, it means not happening again and again. Rarely generalized. See the meaning of this word? Generalized, it means make or become general or common. Generalized to other area and are in fact very closely related to the specific training. Specific it means definite, precise, precise it means exact. So what is the information is given here? A huge amount of research on skill acquisition has found. So there is a lot of research done on skill acquisition. It means gaining any skill, getting any skill. So what is that research says? A skill developed by training and practice are very rarely generalized to other areas. So any skill developed by training and regular practice, so that training not frequently become very general, common in other areas also, are in fact very closely related to the specific training, and these kinds of training particularly related to a specific sector, given a specific training for that particular sector, so that training is not a very useful in other sectors, other areas. It is certainly unhelpful and probably wrong, therefore, to talk about critical thinking skills. See the meaning of this word, critical? Critical, it means expressing disapproving comments or judgments. Critical thinking skill. So, this kind of training which is developed by regular practice, this kind kind of skill which is developed by regular training, it is certainly, definitely not helpful, it is unhelpful. And it is probably, maybe wrong. Therefore, we are going to talk about critical thinking skill. So, what is critical thinking skill? It is a skill in which we think critically, we always express our disapproving comments or disapproving judgments about anything. Critical thinking is an important part of most disciplines, and if you ask disciplinary, see the meaning of this word. It means of discipline. Expert to describe what they mean by critical thinking. So, if you went to any disciplinary expert and ask him to describe the meaning of critical thinking, so what will you get? You may well find considerable. It means notably large. Notably, it means remarkably. Find considerably similarity in the responses of mathematicians and historians. So, if you went the expert, a disciplinary expert of a mathematician and went to the expert of historians, so from these two experts, you will find same kind of disciplinary descriptions about critical thinking. The temptation, see the meaning of this word, temptation. It means the state of being tempted. So what is the meaning of tempted? Look at here. Persuade someone to do something. So what is the meaning of persuade? Persuade, it means change our opinion or our mind. The temptation is then to think that they are describing the same thing, but they are not. So when we will listen to experts, mathematicians and historians, from these two persons, when we get responses about critical thinking, so that time you will see that both these experts will give some kind of similar responses about critical thinking, but those responses are not same. The same is true for creativity. In the same way as we are thinking, we are learning about critical thinking, to expert give same kind of, nearly similar kind of responses about critical thinking. In the same way, we are going to learn about creativity. So what is creativity? The same is true for creativity. It means there are many ways, many sectors, many kinds from which our creativity develops. Creativity is not a single thing, it is not single, but in fact the whole collection of similar but different processes. It is the collection of so many similar processes, but those processes are not same, those processes are different. creativity in mathematician is not the same as creativity in visual art. Visual, it means relating to sight or seeing. Creativity in mathematician is not the same as creativity in visual art. So anyone did some kind of creativity in mathematics, so that is not the same with the visual art. Visual, it means whatever we see, we can see. So anyone did some kind of creativity, something new in the painting, so that we can see. So that is visual art. But in mathematics, if you want to do some kind of creativity, so one example you have to present in another different kind of way or in an easy way. If a student decided to be creative in mathematics by deciding that 2 plus 2 equal to 3, that is not being creative, it is just silly. Since silly, it means foolish. Since the student is no longer doing mathematics, so any student want to do some kind of creativity in mathematics and he did 2 plus 2 equal to 3. So all the people, all the students will think that this student is silly, foolish. He is not learning mathematics accurately, rightly. He is very dull in mathematics. This kind of thinking will be all students. If any student want to do this kind of creativity in mathematics, it is not possible to change the format of mathematics, but we can change the examples by doing simple method or hard methods. It is just silly since the student is no longer doing mathematics. Creativity involves being at the edge of field but still being within it. So creativity, what is creativity? That information is given here. That creativity involves being at the edge of any field. So you are working in any field. At the edge of that field, at the border of that field, you will see or feel some kind of creativity. But within that sector, within that field also you can see creativity, full of creativity. So this kind of creativity which is difficult to understand what is creativity, but creativity is always within us. We need to find out that. We cannot explain that what is creativity, just we can explore that. So today we are going to stop here. Thank you very much. Have a good day to all of you.